Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the climate of North America. Now the climate of any region actually is influenced by a number of factors, which of course includes the location, where the place is actually located, position of the mountains, winds that are there. All of them actually has an influence. The same factors are also there in case of America also. Here we find number of factors which influence the climate of America. The first one is of course latitudinal location, ocean currents, wind pattern, and of course position or location of mountains. Now, if you look at it, look at the map of North America, you will find that major part of North America is located within 30 degree to 60 degree. This is 30 degree and this is 60 degree. So major part of the continent comes under what we call temperate type of climate. In fact, just in the southern part, this is of course the tropic. You would find presence of Tropic of Cancer is there. So areas beyond it, इसके नीचे का जितना भी एरिया है, they come under what we call tropical type of climate. And Arctic Circle passes almost along the northern part of America. So areas beyond it comes under what we call polar type of climate or Arctic climate. But major portion due to the latitudinal location is such that major part of the country comes under what we call temperate type of climate. Second thing is ocean currents. In case of America, number of ocean currents flows alongside it. Like for example, if you look here actually is a cold current that flows alongside this direction. It comes from this here. That is what we call Labrador current. It is a cold current due to which this portion remains under cold conditions. From here also there is another cold current, that is California current. Which results in coldness along this area. Only along this side there is a warm current which goes along this side, that is what we call Gulf current. This Gulf current actually helps in increasing the temperature of these coastal areas. ये दोनों cold current है, इसलिए यहाँ का temperature को कम कर देता है. ये actually warm current है. It actually has an influence on what we call the current or temperature of these areas. That is warm current है बोल के it increases the temperature of this area. Now coming to the winds, if you remember the planetary winds अगर तुम्हें याद है, if you look at it, this is the area. अगर मुझे planetary wind बनाना होता, this would have been the direction of the northeast trade wind, and this would have been the direction of what we call the westerlies. 30 to 60 degree, उसके बाद फिर से polar wind इस direction में. Now, what actually happens in case of the winds? As the westerlies blow from this area, क्योंकि यहाँ से यहाँ तक जाता है, and here the mountain range, that is the Rocky Mountain range or Western Cordillera is actually present here. As a result of which these winds cannot reach up to this point, यहाँ तक पहुंच ही नहीं पाता है, hardly causing any rainfall in this area. So this area or region basically experience what we call continental type of climate. And here यहाँ पे तो कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है, because it blows from land towards the sea. जमीन से समंदर की तरफ जाता है, so it does not have much of an impact. लेकिन फिर भी यहाँ का climate अच्छा इसलिए रहता है, basically it is located in the temperate region. बीचों बीच है, अर्थ के बीचों बीच, एज ए रिजल्ट ऑफ विच टेम्परेचर इज नाइदर टू हाई नाइदर टू लो. But along with that, here we find some local winds that blow over the area. One is of course the Chinook winds. Chinook पहले भी एक बार तुम लोग पढ़ चुके हो, चैप्टर 4 में इसका जिक्र आया था. It is of course a wind which blows down from the Rocky Mountain area. ये अगर रॉकी माउंटेन है तो रॉकी माउंटेन से ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ आता है. From here it blows down. It is a warm wind. And these winds actually helps in melting the snow of this area which covers or forms during the winter month. Now, another thing of importance, that is the position of the mountains or location of the mountains. Here in the western part, there is of course the Rocky Mountain which is located around here, and here is the Eastern Highland or Appalachian Mountain is there. So from both the sides it is covered, but in the northern part there are no mountain range, क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई mountain range नहीं है. So the cold polar winds have a free entry to this area. That is the reason why during the winter months ये जितना भी area है, it experiences what we call freezing cold conditions. Freezing cold conditions are experienced in this area or in this region because these cold polar winds which come from this area, जो cold polar winds है, यहां से तो माउंटेन्स है, यहां पे भी माउंटेन, लेकिन यहां पे कोई माउंटेन रेंज नहीं है, जिसकी वजह से कोल्ड पोलर विंड्स इट कम्स डाउन टू दिस एरिया एंड मेक्स दिस रीजन और एरिया एक्सट्रीमली कोल्ड ड्यूरिंग द विंटर मंथ्स. नाउ बेस्ड ऑन these factors, actually there are number of climatic regions in area of North America. That is obviously one is of course if we divide it like this, we have what we call tundra type of climate. Just to the south of the tundra climate, there is of course what we call the taiga type of climate, roughly around this area. That is taiga type of climate. Then along this small area, ये छोटा सा area है, this portion, what we have, what we call Mediterranean type of climate. Then this area, this portion, hot desert type of climate. Then this area, this region, cold temperate, continental climate. कॉन्टिनेंटल क्लाइमेट का मतलब ये होता है समर के मंथ में बहुत टेम्परेचर बिटवीन द समर एंड विंटर मंथ्स ग्रेट डिफरेंस. दैट इज कॉन्टिनेंटल क्लाइमेट. नाउ हियर दिस एरिया इज एक्चुअली लॉरेंसियन क्लाइमेट, वेरी सिमिलर टू द ब्रिटिश टाइप ऑफ क्लाइमेट. एंड this area, क्योंकि tropical region है, tropical hot humid climate can be found here. Tropical hot humid climate. Now coming to this tundra climate. Now tundra climate actually is found in the northern part of North America, which actually includes Alaska region in the west and also the Labrador region in the east, and of course this Greenland area. Now in this area, the main feature of the climate, winter, is almost for 8 to 9 months winter is there, and during the winter months you would find strong snowfall and blizzard in this area. Rainfall also occurs sometimes in summer, that also in the southern part of this area due to temperate cyclones. Now coming to this taiga type of climate. Taiga type of climate normally from British Columbia in the western part, major part of Canada to almost the Newfoundland island. ये जो island दिखाई दे रहा है ये Newfoundland island है. In this area we have taiga type of climate. In this taiga type of climate, the summers are short summer season is there. Rainfall is comparatively less in this area and heavy snowfall occurs in this area or region during the winter months. Then this Mediterranean type of climate, this is of course found in this is actually the California coast. Here this type of climate is found. मेडिटेरियन क्लाइमेट का सबसे बड़ा खासियत ये होता है, देयर इज सनी वेदर एंड मॉडरेट क्लाइमेट थ्रू आउट द ईयर. रेनफॉल ऑकर्स इन द विंटर मंथ्स, दैट टू ड्यू टू द वेस्टर्लीज की वजह से ही यहाँ पे बारिश होता है. These areas also would have got rainfall due to the westerlies, but their presence of Rocky Mountains or Western Cordillera, it prevents the winds from reaching here. So जिसकी वजह से यहाँ पे बारिश नहीं होता है. Only this area gets winter rainfall. Now this area, or what we call hot desert type of climate, it is mainly the Mexico region, and there is a desert here also, what we call the Sonoran Desert. Here of course जो desert climate का खासियत होता है, summer season obviously long, hot and dry, and as the rainfall is less because it is lying in the rain shadow region, of course these deserts have formed in this area or region. Coming to this Laurentian climate, that is located in the what we call southeastern part of this area, Mississippi, Missouri region. In this area, especially summer climate is mild, but this southern part is hot because of just I mentioned about the Gulf Stream current which flows from this area, as a result of which it is hot, especially along the coastal areas or coastal region. Now, in this area, we find coastal areas remains colder to a large extent due to this cold Labrador current which flows along this area. Now, cold temperate continental type of climate mainly found in the central part of this continent. Here we find that the climate becomes extreme as it's situated in the middle. Extreme का मतलब ये नहीं होता है great difference between the summer and winter temperature. Now summer is comparatively hotter and the winter is extremely cold because of the cold polar winds that come to this region. And of course finally the tropical hot humid climate area that is located in the southern part of the country, especially the middle America, Caribbean islands have this type of climate. Now here we find, as they are located very near to the equator, surrounded by the sea, rainfall occurs almost throughout the year in this climate and it is hot and humid. And here we also the influence of tropical cyclones is also seen here. These tropical cyclones, अभी तुमने chapter 4 में पढ़ा था, that is they are known as hurricane in this area. That was in short a brief explanation of the climate of North America. Next week we will deal with the natural vegetation of North America. Have a good day.